All right, we are starting in the basement. These are stainless steel standoffs, which side mount the glass onto the staircase. And this is a great look to use depending on if your staircase is narrow, if you live in a tiny home, as in this case, it is quite narrow. It is a home in Toronto, Canada, in High Park. As you can see, the glass being side mounted leaves the entire width of the staircase fully open with nothing mounted on the top, and you just have way more space to transport things in and out of. This opening is under, or I would say maybe about 30 inches or so. It is quite tight. So they've left the handrail off, as you can see, just to be able to move furniture up and down. And here we did a base shoe, surface mounted onto the floor. And the reason for this is we wanted to keep this open and not side mount here. The base shoe is a great solution for that, and as well it terminates right under the staircase here, so we're keeping things in alignment with each other. And then as you can see here, the hardware is side mounted on stainless steel standoffs for the main floor. And look at this, guys, base shoe, standoffs, great combination. Nice exposed brick wall here, and I love how this turned out. It just looks fantastic. And of course, everything is solid, guys, the way a glass railing should be. You should be able to lean on this stuff. So here you can see the glass terminates under the ceiling, and again we did a base shoe surface mount on the floor here for the second floor, which keeps the pane of glass in the same alignment as the staircase glass. So nothing is offset. It looks really, really good. As you can see, same pane or same plane. And this base shoe piece here is quite huge, actually. This is about a 10-foot or so piece. See, it terminates nicely right under the staircase glass, which is side mounted on standoffs. And then here on the third floor, we have base shoe glass, where we did a little return here. And yeah, again, look, the space is very tight. Normally, if the space was wide here, we would suggest doing side-mounted glass railings on the standoffs because it does look great. But you know, when the space is tight, you have to do something like surface mount, as in this case with the base shoe. And yeah, it looks great though.